In this video, you will learn about Design Room 1 and Global Configuration Management. Design Room 1 supports the Global Configurations Management application for IBM Collaborative Lifecycle Management. Global Configuration Management assembles streams, baselines, configurations, and other artifacts in and across applications for specific components, releases, or product versions. A rational software architect designer model can be exported to Design Room 1 with a local configuration. The local configuration can be a version name, Git branch, a rational team concert stream, or something similar. Let's begin the demo. We'll start in the Collaborative Lifecycle Management Global Configuration Management application. For the purposes of the demo, I created a simple model to use. It has one component named Demo Component. It contains two streams. Navigate to DC Stream 1. This stream has two configurations, one RM configuration named RM Demo Stream 1, and one Design Room 1 configuration named GC Demo Version 1. If you navigate to DC Stream 2, it currently contains only one RM configuration. Let's add a Design Room 1 configuration. Click Add Configurations. From the drop-down box, select Design Room 1. Select the design and local configuration to use. For the demo, I'll select the design named GC Demo with the local configuration version 2. The configuration is added to the stream. Now, I'll switch to Rational Software Architect Designer. In this workspace, version 2 of the model is loaded. If you have Global Configuration Management enabled in DOORS Next Generation and you expand the node, it displays all available global configurations. The list of configurations might be long, so it's important to give the configurations descriptive names. Expand the requirements. This action displays the requirements depending on which global configuration you set as active. To set or unset an active global configuration, double-click a configuration or right-click and select Set or Unset. For the demo, I am using version 2 of the model, so I'll select the corresponding global configuration. It is important to select the correct global configuration. Let's create some links. Save and export the model. I'll save it with a local configuration named version 2. The model opens in Design Room 1 and the correct local configuration is set. Now I have to set the correct global configuration. For the demo, it is DC Stream 2. Verify that you have the correct version of the requirement linked by hovering over the link and navigating to the requirement. Also, verify that the link back targets the correct Design Room 1 element. That concludes the demo on Design Room 1 and global configurations. For more information, visit the DevOps community site.